So one of the things that I moved past a moment ago, which I just want to come back to, is the flow monitoring. So while we're having a look at the dashboard, this is one of the great visualizations that we have for those of you looking to monitor your networks. So of course we can monitor things like your switches, routers and so on, whether it's software defined or whether it's physical networking. A lot of that's done with SNMP, but also increasingly people are wanting to understand exactly what traffic is passing through devices and what's causing a significant amount of bandwidth to be used. So we support NetFlow, SFlow and JFlow monitoring across all different versions of those protocols. So we're able to receive that information and visualize it here in the dashboard. So at a glance, I can see what the top 10 transmitters, receivers by port, by host, top 10 transfers, as we can see on the right. So I can immediately see what's going on there and pinpoint any particular issues. In this case, on the left-hand side, we can see that Pac-Man sort of shape where clearly there is one consumer of most of the bandwidth, and then the table underneath will show me here which host that is and the number of bytes and packets that we've had from that transmitter. So really good way of identifying any problems, any problem hosts in your network. I'm also able to look at the history of that, so I can drill into a particular source for NetFlow, and I'd like to see perhaps the top 10 transmitters, receivers, etc. from the last 5 minutes, and I can then step back in time as well to have a look at what was happening maybe 5 minutes ago, maybe half an hour ago. So if I've had a ticket from a user that said they were experiencing poor performance, I can identify a particular device that might be causing that problem and then look at who was using all the bandwidth at that given point in time. So really useful bit of functionality there.